Hello everyone, Matthew Simmons here from SimmonsEssentials. I want to bring you another original design. This is a Sorella knot. That's the Italian word for sister. So this is for anyone who is a sister, has a sister, or has friends like a sister. So here you go. So let's go ahead and put this right here. We're going to put the left side at the belt line as usual. Belly button, belt line area, somewhere in there, in between. We're going to come over. 2 ties. For this one, we're going to bring both of them over to the center. We're going to bring them both around. And then we're going to bring both of them back down through here. Now I used the dark and these are the 2 ties I picked. Colors don't matter, patterns really don't matter. So I'm going to take the bottom one, which is my stripe one, bring that over the top, bring that through, bring that down, bring this down like this, and then bring the top tie over it, like so. So you have this. So what we're going to do is we're going to wreath these 2 together, both of them together, and we're going to come up through just the top here. We're going to bring both of them through, then I'm going to take the bottom tie only, and when I'm in this, I want to kind of, as we did that wreath, I then kind of want to come in. They're going to be kind of, well, they're going to be together, and I want to pull them apart, and then I want to put this right through both of them. There's a little on each side. I want to put this to both of them. So there we have it. I'm going to put my collar down. I will take care of this out here. Actually, I'm going to put this through this loop out here, this outer loop. That kind of takes care of that. So you can then put that underneath your collar. Fairly easy compared to the other way I was attempting to do it. So here you go. Again, follow me on Instagram at SimmonsEssentials. Own your own style, my friends. You're fearfully wonderfully made. So here you go. The Sorella. You have the wreath here, and you have the strong base over here. There you go. Peace and God bless. Love your sisters out there.